Welcome back to the Auto Vexo. The 2026 Ford Shelby F-150 is not just a pickup truck. It is a bold statement of extreme performance, aggressive design, and luxury craftsmanship, combining the legendary toughness of the Ford F-150 with Shelby's iconic racing DNA to create one of the most powerful and exclusive trucks on the road today. And from the moment you lay eyes on it, the Shelby F-150 demands attention with its muscular stance, massive honeycomb grille, bold Shelby branding, and an aggressively sculpted hood featuring functional air intakes that not only enhance its appearance but also improve engine cooling, while flared fenders, custom bumpers, and 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires further emphasize its off-road capability and road dominance, making it equally at home on city streets and rugged terrain. Under the hood, the real magic begins, as the 2026 Shelby F-150 is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine that can be transformed into a supercharged monster producing over 770 horsepower, delivering breathtaking acceleration and a deep, aggressive exhaust note that perfectly matches its performance credentials. While Shelby engineers have enhanced the engine with upgraded fuel injectors, high-performance intake systems, and a specially tuned exhaust setup to ensure maximum power, delivery, and efficiency. And despite its immense power, the truck still retains its practicality, offering impressive towing and hauling capabilities thanks to its reinforced chassis and advanced drivetrain, making it not just fast, but also highly functional for real-world use. Performance isn't limited to straight-line speed, as the Shelby F-150 is equipped with a specially tuned suspension system featuring Fox shocks and a BDS suspension setup, providing exceptional stability, improved handling, and enhanced off-performance, allowing the truck to tackle rough terrain with confidence while maintaining comfort on paved roads. And this balance between performance and versatility is what truly sets it apart from traditional pickups. Stepping inside the cabin reveals a luxurious and driver-focused environment, where premium materials such as two-tone leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and Shelby-branded elements create a unique blend of sportiness and sophistication, while advanced technology features, including a large infotainment display, digital driver cluster, and smart connectivity systems, ensure that drivers stay connected and in control at all times. And the inclusion of modern features like hands-free driving assistance and smart safety systems further enhances the driving experience. Building on the already advanced technology found in the standard F-150 lineup, one of the most unique selling points of the 2026 Shelby F-150 is its exclusivity, as production numbers are typically limited, making it a rare and highly desirable vehicle for enthusiasts and collectors alike. And this exclusivity is combined with Shelby's signature styling elements, such as racing stripes, custom badging, and performance upgrades, which give the truck a distinctive identity that stands out in a crowded market. In terms of driving experience, this Shelby F-150 delivers a thrilling combination of raw power and refined control, with its supercharged engine providing instant acceleration, while the advanced suspension and braking systems ensure that the truck remains stable and responsive even at high speeds. And whether you're cruising on the highway, towing heavy loads, or exploring off-road trails, this truck offers a level of versatility that few performance vehicles can match. Compared to standard pickups, the Shelby F-150 elevates every aspect of the driving experience, from its aggressive exterior design to its high-performance engine and luxurious interior, making it a perfect choice for those who want more than just a utility vehicle. They want a machine that delivers excitement, prestige, and capability all in one package. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford Shelby F-150 is a true masterpiece of engineering and design, combining the rugged capability of a traditional pickup with the performance and exclusivity of a high-end sports vehicle. And for drivers who demand power, style, and uniqueness, this truck represents the ultimate expression of what a modern performance pickup can be, proving that the Shelby legacy continues to push boundaries and redefine expectations in the automotive world. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.